understand.
Bruh.
So I quickly temporarily put together some tape just to see how it'll look. If all the measurements are good, it's looking really good, but I can't add the engine yet as it's not finished, and then I could permanently add it once I finish adding the engine in here, because my printer needs to get fixed and I can't print out the parts to connect the engine. So until then, I can't really do anything with it, just make measurements for future. And yeah, stay tuned for more.